Hello, in front of me I've got REMATCH. In this video I'll show you how to change your player home outfit. In the beginning, let's go to customization and select your player. Now enter equipment and go to home. Firstly, you can select preset, hoodie, jersey, long sleeves, tank top, crop top. And next you can change color. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.